So it's been a couple of weeks since I saw this container and it was filled with water because it was raining. It had about 15 gallons pretty much. And now that I look at these plants, they are kind of like dying. I mean, they were already growing so big and all that. But the first thing I noticed is like, why are they dying? So I went and looked inside and they actually drank all the water. In 2 weeks, 15 gallons of water, I can't believe it. So I need to refill this right now before they die. Alright, I have refilled the container with about 10 gallons of water. And lesson learned, I need to keep an eye on this every week at least to make sure the 90 degrees heat doesn't consume all of the water. I cannot believe it. Like they just drank all the water so fast. It's the first time that I actually look at these roots in a while. They're really big. And this cantaloupe was already starting to get some female flowers, some baby cantaloupes probably. I actually pollinated a couple of those. Oh, look at that one. Look at that cantaloupe. Interesting. Hopefully they can survive again so I can taste that cantaloupe and see how it will be in the end. Alright, that's it for today. It's been about 2 days since I put water back in the reservoir. And the melon appears to have survived. It's back to normal. The okra appears to be a little wilted. It kind of came back a little bit to normal, but it's been affected by a lot of things before, so I don't know if this plant is gonna survive. The good thing is that the melon probably will, and the baby melon is still there. Unfortunately, that's the only one I see. I was hoping to see more of them, but I guess that's all I get for mistreating my plant. Just one melon. There is a lizard all the way over there. It's probably the pest control of this place. That's good. As for this other okra that I had in another hydroponics container competing with this cantaloupe melon, it looks like this okra lost the battle. Like it's not flowering at all. There's barely any okras in there, and the leaves are really ugly. So I guess it's not a good idea to put cantaloupes and okras together in the same hydroponics container that I have over here. But the cantaloupe appears to be doing fine. I see there is one cantaloupe there, and then there is another baby cantaloupe somewhere on the bottom of this. Where are you, cantaloupe? Oh, there it is. It's a baby one. This one is a little bigger. This is about a week since the plants died supposedly, and it appears that they're doing better. Even the okra that I was leaving it for dead already, it kind of like came back to life. The leaves are going back to be green. They look weird though. They don't look like the usual okra leaves, and it hasn't been producing any okra flowers or anything at all, so I guess it's alive but not doing much for me. As far as the melon, it looks better than ever. Super green. It still has the 2 cantaloupes. That one is getting big, and the one below that is also getting bigger. Looks like we have some ladybugs here. They are making more ladybugs. These plants attract a lot of aphids, so it's really good and relieving to see that there are some ladybugs over here. And it looks like they're reproducing themselves, which is very good. It's awesome because there will be more ladybugs for this aphid infested plant. If we look over here, actually let's look at that one. You can see the rampant amount of aphids. So good on ladybugs, keep doing what you do.